Maya-maya pa si Waynona pasikretong kinausap ang iba para sa kanilang surprise kay Caprice.
Guys, everyone go to the boys' bedroom. Please makinig. Okay, so ang gagawin natin ay isusurprise natin si Caprice.
Ilang saglit pa ang housemates isinagawa na ang plano.
Uy, go!
1, 2, 3. Lang. Sige.
Happy
birthday to you. Energy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Maya-maya pa isa-isa nang nagpaabot ng mensahe ang housemates para kay Caprice.
So we made messages for you. Happy birthday, my love. You know I got you always. You're the sweetest, most caring person.
Happy birthday, our smiling princess. I hope you know how beautiful your smile and heart is.
Thank you for being the happy pill of the housemates and to me. Just know that I'm always here for you, to listen to you and to help you become a better person. Open and close parentheses, pero para sa akin, perfect ka na. Sabay-sabay! Happy birthday, Caprice!
Sobrang na-touch po ako dun sa binigay nilang board kuya na may mga message. Ngayon lang po ako, kuya, nakatanggap po ng ganitong mensahe, kuya.
Habang patuloy na nakatayo sa big cake si Caprice, may sumunod pang sorpresa para sa kanya.
Happy birthday! We are very happy that you get to discover the real and bigger world. And you are so lucky, so treasure every moment inside the house.
Happy kami na you get to meet a lot of friends dahil diba yun naman yung goal natin. Pero sana paglabas, kami pa rin yung best friend mo.
We are very proud of you. Enjoy ka dyan and continue to discover the best in you and just hold on to your values as you always do. And we miss you. We very miss you. But as long as you want to be there inside the house, we will support you no matter what.
We love you, Super Cup!
We love you, Super Cup.
Ako po, kuya, syempre may part po sa akin na malungkot. Ito po yung pinakauna na hindi ko po talaga kasama yung family ko na i-celebrate yung birthday ko.
Caprice, tinatapos ko na ang iyong sakripisyo. Caprice, napakaganda ng mga unang kabanata ng iyong buhay. At sa loob ng 17 taon, ito ay ang mga kwento mo ng maraming sandali ng galak, kapayapaan at pagmamahal na iyong nabuo kasama ang mga mahal mo sa buhay. Alam kong mas marami pang matatamis na sandali at magagandang paglalakbay ang naghihintay para sa iyo. Ang mundo at ako na rin ay nag-aabang sa iyong susunod na mga hakbang. Kaya naman, muli, Caprice, happy birthday!
Salamat po, kuya. Maraming salamat po.